Chapter 3: Basic Lean Tools and Concepts. How can we use these 5 tools in our workplace each day? This workshop focuses on 5 of the most commonly used lean tools. Value stream maps show how work is organized to meet the needs of key customers, why we do what we do. These maps also show the important connections that exist between groups and processes. Pictographs, dot maps, scorecards, dashboards, and spaghetti diagrams are all examples of tools that show performance in a highly visual way. They can be used to both reduce waste and add customer value. 5S practices are used to reduce the potential for errors and to keep things organized. Quick changeover techniques make it easier to meet customer needs. We will spend a significant amount of time defining ways in which you can use these tools on a daily basis to make your key processes and workplace leaner. As we mentioned earlier, this is a key point. Don't view these tools as something you use once in a while when a really bad thing happens or when something tells you that you need to use the tool. Instead, search for ways that you can begin using these tools each day to improve performance. I have learned through personal experience that using these tools on a daily basis will make a significant difference. You will find that problems and waste you thought were just part of the job will go away. Your people will appreciate the changes that are made because they don't like seeing the waste that is generated each day any more than you do. Most importantly, you will save significant time and money, and you will find ways to provide both your internal and external customers with a lot more value. 5 key lean tools: value stream mapping, scorecards and dashboards, lean layout design, quick changeover, and 5S. These are the 5 key lean tools that we will learn more about using in this workshop. After completing this workshop, you will be expected to begin using them immediately. If you have questions about how these tools can be used or why their use is needed, please do not hesitate to bring those questions up. Keep in mind that we are covering the basics of using these tools, what you will need to gain an understanding of in order to use them. If you choose to, you can find a lot of other information that gives you much more detail about each tool on the internet and references at the end of this workbook. I have found that you will learn a lot more from practicing the basics than you will from investing time in studying more specifics. You are also probably aware of the fact that you have so much time to invest in this effort in the short term. While it might be interesting to learn more about these tools or to learn more about additional tools, you have to choose where your time can best be used. I have found that these tools provide the greatest impact for the given amount of time invested. These 5 tools also represent the tools that are most commonly used across different lean organizations to create a foundation of lean practices. This foundation can be built on in the future once the use of these basic tools has become a daily discipline, and if the need exists. Sustained continuous improvement will be difficult without the use of value stream maps and visual performance management, such as scorecards and dashboards. The lower tier of tools will boost profits and the benefits gained from other improvement efforts. Value stream mapping basics. The process flow diagram is the starting point. Value is based on customer requirements. Value stream mapping includes process cycle times, costs, and waste. The map helps you create a visual plan for change. Value stream mapping helps your people identify improvement areas. Map icons help create a common language. Value stream mapping helps you eliminate non-value-added activities. Value stream maps play a key role in helping you to understand, analyze, and communicate the basics associated with those key processes you are responsible for and use each day to get results. We might like to think that we can get by merely thinking about our processes and the problems they contain, but that is not the case. By using these maps to diagram our processes, we are better able to see relationships between process steps, to define where process bottlenecks might be, and to zero in on high-value opportunities for improving process performance. If you post your value stream maps in your team meeting room or in the workplace itself, You will also find that people refer to it often as they're discussing process problems. In short, the saying, "a picture is worth 1,000 words," definitely applies to value stream mapping processes. If you've never created a value stream map before, you might want to begin by reviewing the process flow diagrams you hopefully have already created. If you don't have workflow diagrams for your existing processes, make the effort to create them first before moving up to the next level of creating a value stream map. Remember, value stream maps show a collection of processes. That means there will be multiple workflows within a value stream map. Process maps tend to be limited to the steps and decisions required to execute a process. Value stream maps contain much more information about the process, and in most cases describe a larger process, typically the entire conversion process between the supplier and customer. Don't overwhelm yourself or your team, however, by trying to start with a complex value stream map. Start small with the key product or service you provide to one customer. Work your way up to higher levels of value stream map complexity.